Hey guys, I am Professor Scott. Welcome to Art Appreciation. I just wanted to do a quick intro video and set up some expectations for you guys, and also just kind of run over a few things. So one, I don't know if many of you know, but I'm an adjunct at the Wilson Community College, which means I do not have an office there. I don't have office hours. So the best way to get a hold of me is through my Wilson email. I'm also going to be available to you guys via Skype. Uh, my live username is tmscott81, and I will post an announcement with that information for you guys. With the Skype, I'll be available Monday through Friday from noon to about 4. But just to make sure I'm available, we need to set something up via email to set up that appointment for Skype. Just in case you guys need me for anything. Have any questions? I know I do better with face-to-face communication. There are so many things that get lost with text messaging or email. So I'll be available to you guys through Skype as well. Let's see. Another thing I wanted to mention is your book. Your book is listed in the syllabus. It is free to download. So I need all of you this week to go and download that book. Again, the link is under the required reading material, and the download's free. So make sure you get that downloaded this week. And also email me if you have any problems downloading that, just so I know. The last thing I wanted to go over with you guys is I noticed this week I set up a syllabus quiz, an MLA quiz, and a plagiarism quiz. And a few of you, it seems, are having problems with the MLA formatting. As well, a few of you have submitted your first writing assignments. So I wanted to go over some things. I'm going to go ahead and do some demo videos showing you guys in both Google Docs and Microsoft Office Word on how to set up an MLA formatted paper. As well as telling you guys this. All papers in this class are going to be 600 words minimum, right? So this first, and it's done in tiers. So this first paper is an opinion paper. All you have to do is make sure it's in MLA formatting, it's 600 words, it's in paragraph form. The second paper is going to be a critical analysis after the 4th chapter, and then you'll have another one after the 8th chapter. And that's where we're going to introduce a works cited page. Right, because you're going to end up finding someone else's work and doing a critical analysis on that piece of work. And then your final paper is going to be a research project that has an art project component to it. So you can see we go from an opinion paper where there is no citing to a critical analysis where there is a citing to a research paper which will be an MLA formatting. It will have in-text citations as well as a works cited page. All right, so we're building on your writing skills. On top of those writing skills, I want you guys to understand, and I'm sure many of you already know this, but every paper is going to have an introduction paragraph. That introduction paragraph, and for one, paragraphs are more than 3 to 5 sentences long. The introduction paragraph is going to give me your key points to your paper. Right? Those key points lay out the paragraph body of your paper. And then your conclusion is going to highlight those key points and restate them. Okay? And I want this first paper set up that way. As well as your research paper. Your critical analysis aren't going to be set up that way. When we get to that point, you'll see in the textbook there is a specific way it needs to be set up. I will give you, we'll go over it online as far as in the book, and I will give you an example, all right? It's only supposed to be 4 paragraphs. But I'm going to do another video when we get there because I also want to explain a few things as far as what not to mention in that paper. All right. I think that's about it. I'm hoping that we have a really good semester. Again, if you guys need me for anything, I'm available via email and Skype. Just get a hold of me. I know online courses are very impersonal, and it's hard sometimes to do written work online. So don't be afraid or hesitant to get a hold of me, okay? And here are those demos that I told you I was going to go ahead and do for you. All right.